How to use Gov UK One Login to verify identity. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Gov UK One Login app to verify identity. Now, you're going to have to use two specific applications for this. Just simply go into your Google Play Store or any app store that you can use and then type in Gov UK. So this is going to be the two apps that you need, the Gov One Login and then the Gov ID check. You're going to have to download those two for you to be able to complete this whole process. So first is to open up and run the Gov UK ID check app. Now, in order for you to verify identity using the One Login application on Gov UK, you're going to have to fully follow the on-screen prompts on the Gov UK One Login first. Hit on continue and then choose on allow. Hit on continue once again and you will automatically be redirected into their official site. For this, you're gonna have to choose whether you're gonna be accepting additional cookies or not. But for now, all I have to do is to choose on this option here that says link app to continue. Once you did that, all I have to do next is you're gonna be choosing whether you started on a computer or tablet and logging in, or you just started logging in via this mobile phone. If you choose on yes, and then once you hit on continue, you will be given out a specific QR code that you need to scan onto your PC or tablet. But if you go back and choose on no, and then continue once again, this is going to be the options that you need to do. So as what I've said earlier, that you need to download the One Login application on Gov UK. So since you've already done downloading two apps, then this is going to be the time that you're going to open the Gov UK One Login. In here, again, just simply follow on-screen prompts, choose on skip for now, and then choose on sign in with Gov UK One Login. You're going to be redirected back to the Gov UK ID check for you to log in and link ID check into One Login Gov UK. Once you hit on sign in, you should automatically be re-verified and use the Gov UK One Login to verify and complete your identity. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to use Gov UK One Login to verify identity.